Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today's our video topic is AC repair cooler sparing FL. In this video we are discuss about AC repairing cooler. So the new viewers like, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and watch the complete video. Thanks for this. So viewers, we are wasted our time. We are going to our video topic. First of all, we are search about AC repair coolers Sparings FL on Google. Google shows many websites. We are open in one, for example, AC repair cooler springs emergency vac repairing service. AC repairing AC repair cooler springs. Cooler springs households and business can rely on Cooler Air USA for all their air conditioning needs. Service Cooler Springs since 2006. Cooler Air USA has grown into one of the most trusted vac companies on Florida. Our AC repair cooler spring service are designed with the needs of Coral Spring household and business in mind. Our team AC repair cooler spring has trained techniques are always ready to help you diagnose and fix and hack. Low refrigeration level, you could see some ice build up on the outside unit and notice some hissing noise. AC vents blockage often caused by direct and debris, dirty or obstructed outdoor condenser unit, debris or surrounding levels, leaves and trees limbos can outstand airflow, hence affecting your AC unit. Low thermostat setting. If your thermostat setting are low, your AC unit will consume lots of energy to provide the same level of cooling. Emergency AC repair cooler springs. If you have an emergency AC broke down in cooler spring, whether during the night or weekends, give us a call. We prioritize the comfort of our client and have a dedicated emergency AC repair crawl spring function just to handle those unexpected service calls. 24 hours AC repair service cooler spring. Our cooler spring vac techniques are on call 24 by 7 to assist your repair your unit. Thanks to the years of extensive professional training and combined experience, our staff are well acquainted with both the design and functionality of a modern AC system. Our routine 24-hour AC repair Coral Spring cover a wide variety of brands such as Rahim Round, Claim Climate Master, Carrier, LG, Linux, York, among others. See what our customers are saying, get a quick estimate. Name, email, phone number, what do you need? Submit. We are hearing wave open options. So viewers, our video is completed. We are joined to the next video, inshallah. Thank you so much all of us to watch the complete video. Allah Hafiz.